Hello, this is Oscar on How I Fix It. I got pulled over by a police officer yesterday and was informed that my left front headlight was out and that I needed to fix it. So today I went to the parts store and purchased a front headlight for a 1999 Ford Explorer. And I went about replacing it in the middle of the snow, grabbed my tools, and I started the bulb change out. I opened the little trap door, reached down and tried to undo or loosen the headlight mount, but I couldn't do it. So I used a pair of channel locks and lightly broke it loose and got it out. Fed that bulb up through the small opening and got it up to where it was accessible. And I went about changing the bulb and replacing it, feeding it in down through there and then back in without damaging it or touching it against any hard surfaces. And I was able to change out the bulb fairly problem-free. Slide that bulb back down in here without hitting anything. Smooth. Sometimes you have to talk to it. Okay, got it in, now I'm tightening it. Open up this door and then work right down in through here. If you have to take this out, you just remove these two screws and then pull that out. So you can see it's snowing and creates a little bit of a hazard, but that doesn't slow anybody down. That's from the can-do field, After I replaced the headlight, I cleaned up and put the tools away and tested it. We're done with this. We'll turn the lights on, see if she works. So what's the value? Okay, it's working. They're both working. Satisfactory operating. Content with the operation. Content with the fix. And I'd like to say this is Oscar with How I Fix It. Have a good night.